Flip phones are making a remarkable comeback, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. With sleek designs, near-invisible hinges, and vibrant displays, they offer a unique combination of style and functionality that's hard to resist. These modern handsets provide top-tier performance, proving they're more than just a nod to the past. They're built for today's tech-savvy users. In this video, we'll explore the top flip phones available, covering everything from premium options packed with innovative features to budget-friendly choices that don't compromise on quality. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Let's get started. Number 6. Nokia 2780 Flip. The Nokia 2780 Flip brings the simplicity of flip phones back to the modern era with a sleek and familiar design. This clamshell phone is perfect for those who need a no-frills, easy-to-use handset. It offers a lightweight, compact build that fits comfortably in your pocket, measuring 4.33 by 2.28 by 0.77 inches when closed and weighing just 4.63 ounces. Visually, the Nokia 2780 Flip is available in two attractive colors, blue and red, with a black insert on the front. The outer screen is a 1.77-inch display that shows key information like the clock or caller ID, while the internal 2.7-inch screen offers full color with a 320 by 240 resolution. While the screens are decently bright, glare can sometimes obscure the display, especially in bright light. One of the highlights of the 2780 Flip is its large physical buttons, making dialing and texting easier for those who prefer tactile feedback. The phone also offers a volume rocker, power button, and USB-C port on the right edge, along with a 3.5mm headphone jack on the left. However, battery life is a bit of a letdown, with talk time falling short of expectations. Despite this, the Nokia 2780 Flip performs well in terms of call quality, delivering clear sound for voice calls. It's not designed to be rugged or waterproof, but boasts an IP52 rating, which should provide basic resistance to dust and water. Overall, the Nokia 2780 Flip is a solid, retro-inspired phone with updated specs. It's perfect for those looking for a simple, reliable device without the complexity of smartphones. Number 5. Motorola Razr 2024. The Motorola Razr 2024 edition is an impressive addition to the foldable phone market, offering a perfect balance of functionality, style, and affordability. Tested extensively, this device stands out for its compact design and refined features, making it a strong contender in the mid-range foldable segment. One of its most appealing aspects is the 3.6-inch quick-view external display, which is larger than many competitors in its price range. This display allows seamless multitasking, from replying to messages to checking notifications, without needing to unfold the phone. Once opened, the 6.9-inch OLED main display impresses with vibrant colors and a 144 Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth and immersive experience for streaming and gaming. Performance is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, which, while not flagship level, handles day-to-day tasks and multitasking effortlessly. The phone's battery life is also commendable, easily lasting a full day with moderate usage, and its fast charging feature ensures you're not tethered to the wall for long. The dual camera setup on the Razr 2024 captures sharp and vibrant photos in good lighting. However, its low-light performance is average compared to premium foldables. That said, for casual users, the camera is more than adequate for social media and everyday photography. Motorola also shines with its software. The phone runs near-stock Android, with additional features tailored for foldable functionality. This ensures a user-friendly experience with minimal bloatware. Priced significantly lower than flagship foldables, the Razr 2024 delivers great value for money. It's perfect for those wanting to dip into the flip market without overspending. While it may lack the premium polish of pricier rivals, its practicality, build quality, and affordability make it an excellent choice for most users. Number 4. Blackview Hero 10. Our number 4 entry is the Blackview Hero 10, a compelling addition to the world of foldable flip phones, delivering both style and substance at a reasonable price point. Its design takes inspiration from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and Motorola Razr, but it carves its own identity with a textured, grippy body and a solid metal frame. The hinge is impressively sturdy, avoiding the wobbliness common in budget foldables. Overall, the build quality is top-notch, offering a premium feel without the premium price tag. Unfolding the Hero 10 reveals a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display that truly shines. With vibrant colors, deep contrast, and an impressive 1300 nits of peak brightness, the screen performs exceptionally well indoors and outdoors. Whether you're streaming a movie or playing a game, the display makes content come alive. Plus, the minimal crease and durable coating make the experience feel akin to using traditional glass. The device is powered by Android 13 with Blackview's Dock OS 4.0, a colorful and smooth interface that complements the display's vibrancy. Its performance is reliable, bolstered by 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensuring a lag-free experience for multitasking and gaming. Battery life is respectable, with the 4000 mAh cell providing 5.5 hours of screen-on time, supported by 45-watt fast charging. The dual-camera setup, featuring a 108-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, delivers crisp and vivid photos in good lighting, making it a fun tool for casual photography. Available in Eclipse Black and Sakura Purple, the Hero 10 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a stylish, capable, and reasonably priced foldable phone. Its elegant design, immersive display, and dependable performance make it a standout in its category. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a standout in the flip phone market, earning its rank as the third-best flip phone for its design, performance, and practical features. After thorough testing, it's clear that this device offers a premium experience with thoughtful upgrades over its predecessor. The Z Flip 5's most notable improvement is its larger 3.4-inch external display, or flex window, which transforms how you use the phone when folded. From checking notifications to running apps like YouTube or Google Maps, this display is now more functional and user-friendly. The hinge design is another highlight, with a near-invisible crease and a refined mechanism that feels sturdy and durable. When unfolded, the 6.7-inch AMOLED main display impresses with its vibrant colors, HDR10+ support, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether streaming videos or gaming, the visual experience is immersive and fluid. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset powers the Z Flip 5, delivering flagship-level performance. Multitasking, gaming, and everyday tasks are handled effortlessly, making this device not just stylish but highly capable. The battery life has seen improvements, offering a full day's use on moderate usage, while the 25-watt fast charging ensures minimal downtime. Camera performance is solid, with the 12-megapixel dual-camera setup producing sharp, vibrant images in good lighting conditions. While low-light performance is adequate, it doesn't rival flagship devices with dedicated night modes. Priced as a premium foldable, the Z Flip 5 isn't the most budget-friendly option, but justifies its cost with a sleek design, robust performance, and innovative features. For those seeking a stylish, compact phone that delivers on both form and function, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a fantastic choice and a worthy contender in the foldable market. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a testament to Samsung's expertise in foldable technology, offering a blend of style and performance that secures its position as a top contender in the flip phone market. After extensive testing, it's evident that this device brings several noteworthy enhancements over its predecessor, though it leaves some room for future innovation. The Z Flip 6 maintains its iconic clamshell design, now more refined with a durable build and a sleeker hinge mechanism. The main display is a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, delivering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling with its 120Hz refresh rate. Notably, Samsung has boosted the peak brightness to 2600 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Z Flip 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, offering a noticeable performance boost over the previous model. This ensures seamless multitasking and a responsive user experience, whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming. A significant upgrade comes in the form of a new 50-megapixel main camera, replacing the 12-megapixel sensor from the Z Flip 5. This enhancement brings sharper and more detailed photos, though it doesn't quite reach the level of Samsung's flagship S24 Ultra. Battery life remains a point of consideration. While the device comfortably lasts through a day of moderate use, heavy users might find themselves reaching for the charger sooner than desired. Additionally, the charging speed is adequate but not groundbreaking, which could be an area for improvement in future iterations. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a stylish and powerful foldable phone that offers meaningful upgrades in performance and camera capabilities. For those seeking a blend of fashion and function, the Z Flip 6 is a compelling choice, though there's anticipation for more exciting features in future models. Number 1. Motorola Razr Plus 2024. The Motorola Razr Plus 2024 edition takes the crown as the best flip phone of the year, blending nostalgia with modern innovation in a way that few competitors can match. With a sleek design, top-tier features, and an affordable price tag compared to flagship models, this phone is the ultimate choice for foldable enthusiasts. Right out of the box, the Razr Plus impresses with its 3.6-inch quick-view external display. This is no gimmick. It's fully functional, allowing you to run apps, reply to messages, and check notifications without unfolding the phone. The responsiveness and utility of this display redefine how you use a flip phone, making multitasking effortless. Unfold it, and you're greeted by a stunning 6.9-inch OLED main display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, animations are buttery smooth, and the overall experience rivals traditional high-end smartphones. The hinge design is seamless and durable, ensuring the phone feels sturdy despite its foldable nature. Performance is handled by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking, gaming, and app usage. It's not the latest chipset, but its efficiency means the Razr Plus can easily handle demanding tasks. The battery life is solid, with a full day of moderate usage, and the fast charging capabilities ensure you're always powered up. The camera system, featuring a 12-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, is versatile and reliable. Daylight photos are crisp, while nighttime shots are decent for a foldable. What truly sets the Razr Plus 2024 apart is its balance of price, performance, and innovation. It's stylish, practical, and offers features that make it more than a nostalgic nod to the past. It's a serious contender for your next smartphone. If you're thinking of joining the foldable revolution, this is the phone to beat. In conclusion, flip phones are making a powerful comeback, offering a perfect mix of style, innovation, and practicality. From vibrant displays to seamless hinges and impressive performance, the latest models deliver a premium experience that blends nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for the ultimate foldable, a balance of features and affordability, or a compact multitasking powerhouse, there's something on this list for everyone. These flip phones redefine how we interact with our devices, proving they're not just gadgets but statements of modern tech. Ready to upgrade? Explore the options and find your perfect fit. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Happy flipping!